Hey, Future AI here, back with another video. RAM prices are exploding right now, and most people think this is just another short-term tech cycle or something gamers caused, but that is completely wrong. What we are seeing is a structural shift in the global tech economy, and artificial intelligence is at the center of it. If you have looked at DDR5 prices, server memory costs, or even laptop upgrades recently, you already noticed something feels off. Memory is getting expensive fast, and this is not slowing down. So let's break down what is really happening and why AI is quietly buying up the world's RAM. First, let's talk about what is actually getting expensive. It is not just normal consumer RAM. Yes, DDR5 prices are rising, but the real pressure comes from server-grade memory and high-bandwidth memory, also called HBM. These memory types are critical for AI workloads, and they are being consumed at a massive scale. AI models today are not just large, they are memory-hungry. Training modern AI systems requires storing enormous data sets in memory, moving data extremely fast between memory and compute, and keeping multiple model states active at the same time. If memory bandwidth is too low, the GPU becomes useless no matter how powerful it is. This is where the real problem starts. AI data centers are not buying a few RAM sticks, they are buying entire memory production capacities. Hyperscalers are signing long-term contracts and locking in supply years ahead. That means less memory is available for everyone else. Now let's talk about why AI specifically causes this pressure. AI workloads scale differently than traditional computing. In classic server environments, storage was the bottleneck. With AI, memory is the bottleneck. Models need fast access to data constantly. Latency matters, bandwidth matters, capacity matters. And this is where GPUs enter the picture. Modern AI GPUs are not limited by compute anymore. They're limited by how fast and how much memory they can access. This is why HBM has become so critical. Companies like NVIDIA design GPUs that are tightly integrated with stacks of high-bandwidth memory. Without HBM, these GPUs cannot function properly, and each new generation requires more memory than the last. This creates a massive problem. HBM is extremely difficult to manufacture, yields are low, production is complex, and only a handful of companies in the world can produce it at scale. Right now, the main winners are memory manufacturers like SK Hynix, Samsung, and Micron. These companies are prioritizing AI customers because that is where the margins are. Consumer RAM simply cannot compete with AI demand. This means something important. The memory market is no longer driven by consumers, it is driven by AI infrastructure. Gamers, PC builders, and laptop buyers are now at the bottom of the priority list. And this shift is not temporary. AI demand is not slowing down. In fact, it is accelerating. Every new model is larger, more complex, and more memory intensive. Inference workloads alone are exploding as AI systems are deployed into real products and services. Let's talk about what this means for normal users. If you are planning to build a PC, upgrade a laptop, or buy a new workstation, you will likely pay more for memory than you expect. Budget systems will be hit first, entry-level builds will suffer, and upgrade paths will become less attractive. Laptop manufacturers are already reacting. Some are shipping devices with soldered memory and lower upgrade options. Others are increasing prices quietly. On the server side, cloud providers are passing these costs directly to customers, showing up as higher AI usage prices. Now, here's the key point most people miss. This is not just about RAM. Memory is becoming the new strategic resource. Compute used to be the bottleneck. Now, memory bandwidth and capacity define who can build the best AI systems. This is why NVIDIA's roadmap is so aggressive. New architectures are not just about faster compute. They're about deeper memory integration, higher bandwidth, and tighter coupling between GPU and memory. The future of AI performance depends more on memory than raw compute power. And this has massive economic consequences. Countries, companies, and entire industries are now competing for memory supply. Data centers are expanding faster than memory production can keep up. Even small disruptions in the supply chain can cause global price spikes. We are effectively entering a world where memory is infrastructure. just like energy or water. It becomes something you need to secure long-term access to if you want to stay competitive in AI. So when you see RAM prices going up, do not blame gamers. Do not blame short-term market cycles. This is a long-term transformation driven by artificial intelligence reshaping the entire hardware ecosystem. And the most important takeaway is this: AI is not just changing software, it is changing how hardware is designed, produced, and allocated across the world. This is the new AI economy, and memory is at its core. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI, hardware, and the future of technology. Drop a comment below and tell me if you think memory will become the next global bottleneck or if something else will take its place. See you in the next one.